Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete something from the database. So far we have completed how to show and how to update something. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually delete something. So what you have to do, let's say I want to go to the, so this is the test user page, right? So we'll go here and we'll actually go to the test user. Here you can see, and now actually I can actually add here a delete button. From here actually we can actually delete something. So how to do this? We can actually add here one more action, and that is th action, and after that I will actually copy it, and here I'm going to say that test users slash delete, okay, and like this, and here we will say delete. I'm going to actually create a new route for this, so I'll say route : get, and here the URL will be what? This one. So I'll copy it, paste it, and here I will just use an ID. So I'll give here ID, that's it, and it will actually target a controller, and that is test user controller : class, and I'm going to use here a method, target a method. So I will go here the controller test user. Here you can see so it's a model, right? We have to go to the controller, and controller is here, so test user controller, and we have a method for this, for the deletion, and here you can see destroy. So here I'm going to actually just pass $ID, okay. So here I will say that $user equal to test user : find, and here I will use ID, okay, and we just have to delete the ID. So we just have to say here user delete, that's it. Now we will actually return redirect, so redirect back with a message, okay, silly mistake, we have to use here arrow sign, okay. Now with I will actually say here, let's say den or dnger, danger, okay, and here I want to send a message: deleted successfully, successfully. All right, and I need to actually access this, so I'll go here, and here I will actually say that I'll copy from the welcome, not sorry, here update. So I'll copy it, paste it here, and here I will use the session as danger, right? Danger, and danger, danger. Now let's go refresh. What is this? Redirect back 75 line here. So this is the problem. So return redirect, okay. Now go back, refresh, go back. So we have delete here. Now let's say I want to delete it. Problem: exist. Why? Test user controller class, okay. So you have to access the method, so we have to actually give here the method name. Now it will work. Go back, refresh, okay. New details, all right, good. Go back. Let's say I want to delete this one, and here you can see deleted successfully, and already we have deleted this, right? So that's it. I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.